Hello and thanks for joining me. As you can see, I'm in the workshop and I want to talk about beards today because it seems that the bots at YouTube and Facebook have been analysing my videos and pictures and have picked up on the fact that I have a beard. I therefore find myself inundated with adverts from a certain cosmetics company that is selling male grooming products specifically for men with beards. And they would have us believe that growing and maintaining a beard is a struggle. Apparently, it's a struggle. Well, I can tell you it is anything but, and I would claim the absolute opposite. I would maintain that having to shave every morning is the real struggle. That's where the struggle lies. And if you want to grow a beard, just give up shaving. Where's the struggle in that? So here's my secret of how to grow a big, full, healthy beard and how to maintain it. Firstly, how do you grow a beard? You stop shaving. If you want to grow a long beard, you don't trim it. If you keep trimming it, it's not going to grow long, is it? So if you want a long beard, just stop shaving, do nothing. How do you maintain it? Well, I'm sure you'll be very pleased to hear that I shower regularly and I simply wash my beard when I'm in the shower. Shampoo it with ordinary hair shampoo. I don't even use conditioner. Just wash my beard and that's it. So very straightforward care regime. It's worked for me for years. It's worked for me for decades. So what beard struggle, honestly. Anyway, bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.